Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to link your Citibank to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App, and on the top right side, you need to click your profile icon. Then you need to scroll a little bit down and choose linked banks from this list. Then click plus icon. On the bottom, you need to select no card ? Then click continue. And from this list, you need to find Citibank. It's right here, guys. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar. Just type Citibank inside the search and find the Citibank. So I see the Citibank right here on the main page. So I will click Citibank. Then it will ask me to log into my Citibank account, guys. So it will redirect me to the Citibank website. So you need to log into your account. It will probably ask you for authentication. So after that, your accounts will be linked, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.